Once upon a time, in a bustling city called Brightville, there lived a group of neighbors who were passionate about their community. They were concerned about the rising costs of food and the lack of fresh produce available to everyone, especially those who couldn't afford it. They believed that by coming together, they could make a difference and create a positive change in their neighborhood. And so, they embarked on a remarkable initiative called the Community Garden. It all began when Amelia, a young and vibrant woman, started researching ways to address the issue of food security in their community. She discovered the concept of communal gardens, which not only provided fresh and healthy produce but also brought people together, fostering a sense of unity and collaboration. Inspired by this idea, Amelia reached out to her neighbors, sharing her vision of creating a community garden that would benefit everyone. The response was overwhelming. People from all walks of life, young and old, rich and poor, joined Amelia in her quest to establish the community garden. They formed a committee, and each member contributed their unique skills and resources to make this dream a reality. There was Tom, a retired landscaper, who offered his expertise in designing the garden layout. Sarah, an experienced gardener, volunteered to teach gardening skills to those who were new to it. And Emma, a social worker, worked tirelessly to raise funds and gather donations of seeds, tools, and materials. With their combined efforts, the community garden began to take shape. A vacant plot of land was transformed into a vibrant oasis, bursting with a variety of vegetables, fruits, and herbs. The once barren land now thrived with life, and the neighbors marveled at the beauty they had created together. But the community garden was more than just a source of fresh produce. It became a hub of activity and engagement. People gathered to tend to the plants, sharing stories, laughter, and knowledge. Children played among the rows of vegetables, learning about nature and where their food comes from. And the garden became a symbol of hope, resilience, and community spirit. As word spread about the community garden, other neighborhoods took notice. Inspired by the success of Brightville, similar initiatives sprouted up across the city, turning vacant lots into flourishing gardens. The movement grew, and soon the entire city was dotted with community gardens, transforming once neglected spaces into thriving centers of sustainable urban agriculture. The impact of the community garden initiative was far-reaching. Not only did it provide nutritious food for those who needed it, but it also fostered a sense of empowerment and self-sufficiency. Families were able to save money on groceries, and children developed a love for gardening and a deeper appreciation for the environment. The sense of community strengthened as neighbors forged new friendships and supported one another. As the years went by, the community garden initiative continued to flourish. Brightville became a shining example of what a united community could achieve. Visitors from far and wide came to witness the transformative power of communal gardens, and the city gained a reputation as a leader in sustainable urban agriculture. The story of the Community Garden Initiative serves as a reminder that even the smallest of actions can make a significant impact. By coming together and embracing a shared vision, a community can create positive change, fostering food security, community engagement, and sustainable urban agriculture. And so, the gardens of Brightville continue to bloom, inspiring others to follow in their footsteps, one seed at a time.